My mother gonna kill me. I wasn't even supposed to be riding it. Oh, God. I was going to Denny's. I wanted happy face pancakes. I thought I wanted. I went over there. It was outside. I ain't did nothing to nobody. Have you seen it? Oh my God, I can't go back to the apartment without my bike. My mother's gonna kill me.
I don't know. I know, like, I've seen her up and down the hallway, but I'm trying not to laugh, but it's kind of hard not to. She lost her
bike.
And while bringing you in the lobby. Yeah. So I don't know if you guys seen it or.
No, we haven't seen anything.
And there's like no one around her either.
Where did she go? Uh-oh.
What makes you go with her? Why are you crying? Where is she at?
Okay, thank you.
You want me to go?